In this video, you'll learn how to change your eBay username. By following these steps, you will successfully update your username to better reflect your account or branding. Start by signing into your eBay account using your registered email address and password. Once you've logged in, locate the profile menu, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. After accessing the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Account Settings. This will take you to the Account Settings page, which contains various sections for managing your personal information. Within this area, you will find details such as your current username and contact information. Next, navigate to the Personal Information section of the Account Settings. Here, locate the username field. You will see an option to edit this field. Click on the edit option to proceed with changing your username. Enter the new username you wish to use. Ensure that the new name adheres to eBay's guidelines and is not already taken by another user. It is important to review your new username for any spelling errors before moving on. A clear and professional username enhances your visibility to potential buyers on the platform. Once you are satisfied with your new choice, you can proceed to the next step. After entering the new username, look for the button that says Save or Confirm. Click this button to apply the change. eBay will process your request and your profile will be updated with the new username shortly. Keep in mind that it may take a few moments for this change to be reflected across all your listings and messages. You have now successfully completed the process of changing your eBay username. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.